What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so today we're talking about really central tendencies, which is mean, median, mode, and then we're going to add on mid-range and range. The mean is like the average, right? So the sum of the data items divided by the number of items that there are. Median is the data item in the middle of each set of ranked or ordered data. Mode is the one that occurs most often. Mid-range is found by adding the lowest and the highest and then dividing it by 2. And the range is just the difference between the highest and lowest data set. Okay? So let's go right in order, right? So let's go ahead and find the mean of this data set right here. Okay, so I have a bunch of scores here and how often each one occurs. So if I was to write these out, 1 occurred once, right? 2 occurred twice. 3 occurred 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 occurred 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 occurs 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 occurred once. 7, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 8 occurred 3 times. So that would be the data in order in terms of what this is showing. Okay, so the nice part is that there's a couple ways. The nice part about the frequency distribution to find the mean is that the frequency is all right here. So I can just add all of this up and I'll get how many pieces of data I have. I can write it out and add these all together as well, right? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it tells me that I have 28 data items. Okay? So if I look at this, let me go ahead and double check. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 10 is 19, 20, 28. So that is absolutely correct. I have 28, and this tells me that I have included everything there. So this right here, sum is equal to 28, okay? So I know that's how many data items there are. So now what I have to do is add all these together. Well, with a frequency distribution, it's nice because what I can do is, if I add the 1, it's just going to equal to 1. When I add the 2 2's, isn't that going to be 4? Isn't that the same as 2 times 2? Let's keep on going and see if that's true. So I got how many 3's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is going to give me 18, just like if it was 3 times 6. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. There's only 1 6. If I have 5 7, that's going to give me a 35. And if I have 3 8, it's going to give me a 24. So now I can just add all of these together. All right. So if I look, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 18 is 23. 43. 43 and 25 is 68. 68 would be 74. Uh-oh. Now I'm getting a little bit too many, right? So here, how about if I do it this way? Let's break it up. So if I added these numbers together, what am I going to get? I'm going to get, here's 22, 23. Right here, this is 45, so 51. And let's add these two together, and that's going to give me a 59. All right. If I add these two together, I'm going to get 111, because 9 plus 1 gives me 10, carry the 1, 11, there we go, and then add the 23, I'm going to get 133, okay? So you guys can do that right on your calculator, so that is going to equal to 133 when I add all of those up, right? Okay, so there we go. And heck, you can use your calculator and add all these up. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So again, just to review about this piece right here, look at this. This right here is going to give me the 1. This right here is going to give me a 4. This right here, I got 6 of them, is going to give me 18. This right here is going to give me a 20, right? And you'll see the 20 right there. This right here gives me the 25. This right here is just going to give me the 6. Right here is going to give me the 35. And right here is going to give me the 24, right? Just like these numbers that I see up here, all right? So I hope that you see that as we go, okay? All right. There we go. All right, so what is mean again? Mean is the sum of the data items divided by the number of items. So the sum, so mean, is going to equal to, which we actually call it as X bar. That's going to equal to the sum of the items, so 133. Here, let me do it this way. Sum of the items divided by number of items. Well, that's going to be 133 divided by 28. Okay, let's see what 133 divided by 28 is going to give me. That's going to give me 4.75. So that will be my mean. There we go. Median. So median is the data value that occurs, median. The data item in the middle of after it is ordered, okay? So the median is the one in the middle. So if I had to find the median, I still want this ordered part right here, okay? So let me bring it down, and I'm going to label this as my median. Okay, so when I'm looking for median, I need everything placed in order, all right? And I want the one in the middle. Well, if I have 28 items, that means it must be in the middle. So let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's right here. Okay, let's double check to make sure that the other side has 14 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, there's 14 on both sides. Okay, now sometimes you'll get lucky and you will also get one right in the middle where you can say this is the number. But sometimes there's going to be even amount of items, so the median is between these two numbers, right? So between the 4 and the 5. And when that is the case, what you're going to have to do is take the average of these two numbers here, and the average of 4 and 5 is 4.5. What's between 4 and 5? 4.5. So my median is going to be 4.5. Now let's take a look at the mode. The mode is the data that occurs most often, okay? MO for most, Okay, so most often, now this one you don't need any data. You can look at right at the frequency, right? The frequency is telling you how often something is happening. So the one that happens most often is right here, 6 times, which is 3. So that would be my mode. Maybe I should, whoa. All right, so the mode is 3. Let's take a look at mid-range. Mid-range is found that by adding the lowest and highest data values and dividing the sum by 2. Okay, so mid-range. So what is the lowest data? Lowest data is 1. What's the highest data? 8. Okay, so that's what I want to do. I want to take the lowest and the highest data, which is 1 plus 8, and dividing it by 2. So what does that give me? 1 plus 8 is 9, divided by 2. So that's going to equal to 4.5. And then the range is what? The difference between the highest and the lowest data value. Okay, what's the highest data value? 8. What's the lowest? 1. So the difference of that would be 7. So the range here is 7. All right, so that is how you will find everything that you need. All right, I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.